Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 108 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. We are continuing with our exercises in triplets on exercises 158 and 159.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So on these exercises, they are also inversion pairs. We are going up on the triplet and then down on the triplet on the same scale degrees. So we begin on the C, the first scale degree 1, then we go to 3, then we go back to 1, then we go to 5, then back to 1, then 8, and then back to 1. Okay, and that is the same for 159, but instead of going da da da, we'll be going da da da. Okay, so you could practice with each of these points. You can do oh, 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 oh. That's very important so that you have those anchors of the bass note that the triplet is formed upon. So then once you feel confident with that, you can take the triplet either oh or oh, because you'll feel that bass pitch. And here is exercise 158. Oh, oh, oh. That one was trickier. So what I would probably do is go oh, 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 oh. There, I felt my notes now. Oh, okay, now the next one. Oh, next one. Oh, really resist the temptation to push as we go up the scale degree. Don't push on the breath, okay? That's really important because that will get the triplet very uneven. Now let's do the same thing with exercise 159. So now we're doing that downward da da da. Now we've got those leading tones da 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 da. Okay, it's kind of jazzy. So that one is always tricky. That D flat, I'm not sure. So I would do that one again. And it's really fun when you can feel the anchor into the bass note and you stretch from that point. You don't feel any push of the breath. It's just very steady. We could try taking this faster. Let's see how it goes. The first one wasn't so good, but you can kind of creep it up. I will tell you that it is easier to sing quicker when you're lighter. So it is a little bit harder to go faster when you're down low because more of the chest voice is coming into the production. So you do have to watch that you're not kind of waiting that, or else you might go a little bit slower than you intend.